What's up, guys? Today we're going to talk about the ailerons. What do the ailerons do? The ailerons control the airplane's roll movement about the longitudinal axis. The ailerons control the airplane's roll movement about the longitudinal axis. Now let's go by parts. So how does one control the airplane's roll movement? We control it by using the airplane's yoke. So if we move the yoke to the left or the right, the plane will be rolling left or right. Now we have this illustration down here that says longitudinal axis is an imaginary line that runs from the nose to the tail of an aircraft. Longitudinal axis is an imaginary line that runs from the nose to the tail of an aircraft. So as an example, this red coloring pencil, that's going to be our longitudinal line. And we have our plane right here. And this is how it looks. So that line is running from the tail all the way to the nose. Now let's read this information here. It says, we have the illustration of an aircraft. And it says the ailerons are hinged panels located at the outer portion of the wing's trailing edge. The ailerons are hinged panels located at the outer portion of the wing's trailing edge. So how are we going to be able to roll our airplane? Simple. We use the ailerons, right? Ailerons control the airplane's roll movement. So here you can see the flaps. One is down and one is up. But let's talk about the roll movement as well. Let's be more specific. What does that mean? Roll movement: rotating movement of an aircraft around the longitudinal axis. Rotating movement of an aircraft around the longitudinal axis. So we have the perfect example here. So the red coloring pencil, that's the longitudinal axis, and the plane, when it rolls, it looks like this. So it is rolling around the longitudinal axis. It is rolling around the longitudinal axis.